Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that we recently came across, the Cook with Color Collapsible Salad Spinner. We've put a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about this impressive product. The Cook with Color Collapsible Salad Spinner is not just your average salad spinner. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool that combines the features of a salad spinner, a colander, and a serving bowl all in one sleek design. With a generous capacity of 4 quarts, this space-saving kitchen essential is perfect for washing and drying both fruits and vegetables, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this salad spinner is its collapsible design. When you're done using it, you can easily collapse it down, which makes it incredibly convenient for storage. This is especially beneficial for those of us with small kitchens or limited storage space, like in RVs or dorm rooms. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to maximize their kitchen efficiency without sacrificing functionality. Let's talk about how easy it is to use. The Cook with Color Salad Spinner features a smooth rotating mechanism that allows you to wash and dry your greens with minimal effort. Simply place your lettuce, fruits, or vegetables inside, add water, and give it a spin. The centrifugal force does all the work for you, quickly removing excess water and ensuring that your produce is clean and ready to eat. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is as easy as tossing it in the machine after use. For salad lovers or anyone who enjoys fresh produce, this is a must-have tool. But who is this product really suitable for? Honestly, it's perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking with fresh ingredients. If you're a busy parent looking to prepare healthy meals for your family, a meal prep enthusiast, or even someone who just wants to make it easier to enjoy fruits and veggies, this salad spinner has got you covered. Its large capacity means you can prepare enough greens for a big family meal or simply wash a small batch for a quick snack. Now let's explore some practical use cases for the Cook with Color Collapsible Salad Spinner. Imagine you've just returned from the farmer's market with a fresh batch of leafy greens. Instead of wrestling with a bulky salad spinner or waiting for your greens to dry on a towel, you can quickly wash them using this spinner and serve them right from the bowl. Or perhaps you're preparing a summer fruit salad, simply use the spinner to rinse and dry your berries or grapes before tossing them into a bowl. The possibilities are endless. Another great use is for those who like to host gatherings. This spinner makes it easy to prepare large salads or fruit platters quickly. You can wash and dry multiple types of produce at once, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. It's also an excellent tool for those trying to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into their diet, as it simplifies the washing and drying process, making it more inviting to grab a healthy snack. In summary, the Cook with Color Collapsible Salad Spinner is an innovative, practical, and space-saving kitchen gadget that can make preparing fresh produce a breeze. Its multifunctional design, ease of use, and large capacity make it suitable for everyone from busy families to cooking enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.